Yo, what's up, gamers and gamers? That was super lame.
Boo, you stink!
But I don't care. So today, what I'm going to show you guys is how to make your own Facebook gaming page. Trust me when I say, if you are new to this world,
From the earth I rise, and to the earth I one day will return.
I feel like Facebook is the wave. First of all, Facebook got the money, they got the users, so why not? Second of all, I know we all know that Twitch and Mixer, when it comes to news streamers,
Do you live under a rock? Like, seriously? I guess that's none of you guys. Nobody reacted to that. Okay.
they don't get a lot of attention unless you bring your own following. But honestly, from Facebook Gamer, from what I see and seen, I actually been growing on a consistent rate. So stay tuned so I can get you guys to at least where I am, which is the Level Up program. But I'm gonna take you guys through the steps. First off, how to set it up. All right, so you come to facebook.com. If you don't have a Facebook already, what you do is, of course, you see right there, create a new account. Type your name, blah, 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 whatever. Once you get that situated, you log back in. From there, to become a gaming video creator or content creator on Facebook, you want to go ahead and select create right here. Once you select create, select page. Once that comes up, you get two options here: business or brand, community or public figure. So what you want to do is go ahead and select community or public figure and select get started. Once you select get started, you go ahead and put in your title to your page, to your gaming page, and make sure, this is the key to making sure this is a gaming content page. You want to select the category. Go under here, gaming video creator. This will now signify you as a gaming video creator. Duh. So hit continue. Really slow. So of course, from this standpoint, it's gonna ask you to upload a profile picture. I'll go ahead and do a test so we can get through the steps of this. Alright, I'll go ahead and upload a logo that I already have pre-made for my YouTube. Oh, it is asking me to build a cover photo. Alright, got my cover, I made a banner. I don't know if it's gonna size correctly, but we shall see. Alright, it kinda worked out. So I'm gonna point out another key thing that you wanna make sure that you do when you start your page to give it a head start. But this is for people who already have a Facebook, who has friends and things to that nature. So if you do have a Facebook, you kind of do get a head start. So hopefully you have one, because I did. But anyways, from that standpoint, I'm gonna give you a tip. For the most part, I know most of my Facebook friends, and I know what their interests are. So what I did, I invited the people that I know who's already into gaming. So that was automatic followers on my page. So I started off with probably about 50 followers. So that's a head start already. Outside of Twitch and Mixer, you have to hope somebody comes views your page. You have to entertain them like a monkey and hope that, you know, they like what they see. I mean, that is the main reason of being a content creator, but the visibility of those sites is not as transparent as Facebook. That's the best way I could put it. But as you can see right here at the bottom of the page, it says set your page for success. So I can go ahead and invite my friends and go from there. I'm not gonna do that because I already have, you know, a Facebook gaming page. So I'll go ahead and get out of there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is basically how you make a Facebook gaming page. As you can see, you got your banner, you got your cover photo, you got your profile picture, and from there, we're good to go. So, don't say I never taught you anything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the next video I will be putting out is how to make it to the Level Up program. Signing out. Yo!